my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make all kinds of videos. So today's video is special because in my today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a homemade mask, a non-surgical mask, which as per the rules we are supposed to wear whenever we are stepping outside from our home in order to buy groceries, in order to buy vegetables, in order to beat anything from the age of 2. And I would highly recommend and highly request to all of you to stay at home as much as possible and only go out if something really urgent comes in. So without wasting any time, let's begin with today's video. So we'll be taking a cotton piece of cloth. So here I have used my dad's handkerchief. So make sure to use a cotton fabric because that will help more to breathe. So let's begin. The step 1 will be to fold one side of each into half like this, and then again folding this thing into half. So we'll do the same thing on the other side as well. So we'll fold it in half like this and then again half like this. So now we have this. So our first step is done. So the second step would be to use some rubber bands. So I'm pretty sure that we all have these things in our home somewhere or the other, and please comment down below if you can relate to me. I tend to lose each one of these every day, so I'm not pretty sure of how many I had or I have currently. So we'll be using these two for the second step. So first we'll be taking this and putting it inside, and then again we'll be taking this and doing the same thing on the other side as well. So currently this might look like a candy or something, but let's move on to the third step. So the third step would be to fold these two into half and then putting them inside the pocket which we have created. So I'm putting this one inside the pocket. And we'll be again doing the same process in this side. We'll be again folding this into half like this and then putting it inside the pocket which we have created. Now if you want, you can add hot glue, or you can even in order to make sure that everything stays in, but I'm pretty sure that it won't be coming out. And so our mask is ready for use. This is a pretty decent and has a good layer of cloth, so it will protect you. And the main motive of creating these masks is that this cotton fabric is easily available at our home, and we can, like, you can make 5 or 6 or 3 or 4 and distribute it among the people who work for you or whom you think that are not wearing any mask or cannot afford a mask. So you can easily make this mask at your home. So that was it for today's video. Hope that you have enjoyed making the mask with me, and I would highly recommend all of you to make 1 mask, 5 masks or 10 masks at your home and distribute the other to the people who you think might need them, and you can even make one for yourself, for your family members. And till then, stay at home, stay safe, and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below if you have made these masks by watching my videos, and please post a picture on my Instagram handles. I'm highly active there. And till then, bye, see you next time.